Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, or go to roblox.com and tap Sign In. Enter your username or email and password, then tap Next. If two-step verification is enabled, Roblox will prompt you for a verification code. The first thing you should check is where Roblox is sending the code. Roblox can send the code to your email address, your phone number by text message, or an authenticator app, depending on what you set up. If it's set to email, open your inbox and look for the Roblox verification email. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as the message can sometimes end up there. If you still don't receive the code, go back to the verification screen and tap Use another verification method at the bottom. From there, you can choose a different option, such as email, a backup code, or a phone number if one is linked to your account. Switching methods often fixes the issue and allows the code to come through. If none of the verification options work, your last option is to tap Need Help, Contact Roblox Support. This will take you to the Roblox support page where you can submit a request. Scroll down until you see Contact Support link, tap on it, and this will take you to this page. Here, enter your username, name, email address, and device details, then explain that you're not receiving the two-step verification code by email or text message. Submit the ticket, and Roblox support will usually respond within a few business days to help you regain access to your account. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. So that's all for this video. Thanks.